This is a bike check on the Cameraman's 2012 Academy Aspire. It's got Sunday Triumph bars. Sunday Triumph bars. They got a Fly Pantera stem. It's got Rant forks, Colony clone hub with female axles, and a Colony contour rim. We the People ribbon front tyre. Academy cranks, Colony bottom bracket, a Snafu 28 tooth sprocket, Colony plastic pedals, a Novatech rear hub on an Alex Rims rim. The hub's a piece of shit, no one ever get it, they break, they die. A gold half-link chain, We the People something back tyre, and a We the People ribbon front tyre. And a Shadow Conspiracy seat, ODI long neck grips and bar ends.
Yep.
And yeah, and my awesome paint job.
Yeah.